Ka kelut Rupda Lato ka WM Arpawar snem Wyrta ka wachong wasa hapan ler juai kam ka wada chajit mihkhmat yagri India he yakop miet kenthai watip kam ka Miss Aura International ka wadauman hauni usnem ha antal ya Turki enne gisngi hawapan kerchan kana kipaj ba da onggo I kerchan mto awre ya ka poisa tang wadu da kikintin wo ong wa pi ngau sarong pi yanga wa kikintin emensim pen bok pen nasib yang pi the biang waregi we the pen kemen gi yo not yo nang ye chu chu o ulai chakman we wo mihkhmat le ye gari de ngau sarong we ngau buram ye kini gi kintin de klam gon ni kesngi ha ga yelang pen kup buram ya ka da ka Heaven Scope Natural and Environment Protection Society de we lang wan prang kasa in charge librarian jawai kamu kongsan Dr. Iveris Mersing kamu sembut kongsan na jorong ki bru he ki wahayung hasem gani ke khelon wa ki bacha khut sngau bha nei te hawa khana ko ye lai luti de pen sngau ko le isarong wo yo kalat wo lai chimbenta ha katai karan san ye kop miet kan thai wa he tam hator ki de e ro nongkong do yo blai u ka da chani ago he lai luti yongka we kam wo blai de bha u jar jer ibenta ye ubru da jar kisap wa pher kam tes ngangu haro ko ye yung kasem na do ka bay upa go ki wada pediang we kerchan ye ang not wa haka u Dr. Iveris Mersing hawa kelam kamu sembut kongsan de kentu ye gani ke khelot wo man go yin scam we chani ide na jrong wo lai chakmat he to I woni ang not yongka de wa ap yesnen ke bay upa da penrabule de wo ong I im ubru to I yong blai I wan tu chisin nei te daw kam im dewa perkhat bha nei benta wan ra nam ra buram ya ga yung kasem ka jella wa gari wan plang kasa kam ukong san wan depen bok u ya gani khlon we yuluti le o liwan gona ka tai gari de lang ira nam ya ga jella wa gari India hejo ipor ngau sarong haro wa gani ka khlon du wan ra go ye nam iburam tang wa ilai luti yang ka daman le ka nong muna ye kiwi wan ki khon khandro khlon ye pengkup buram ne benta Rupda Lato da pendep da President ke Heaven Scope Nature and Environment Protection Society ubari lalu wene liang ke ya khmat ke Kermen Foundation le da chim gi ga benta o buram ya ka ha ke lang wa pelai da ka kong simi kong thiang we de lang le usong ashim rungsung u job yak rubaru Master India.
Say thank you for Heaven Scope for having this program for me. A very beautiful and impressive program, I might say. So I would like to thank the chief guest and Sir Everest for being present here. And yeah, so I would like to share about my journey of how I've reached this far. So the organization that I got through was Rubaru Miss India Elite, and I undergo through several rounds of interviews. It was all online process. That's why like most of you did not see the process in my posts or in the news as well. So that's why everything was undergoing online, and I had like to go through several of rounds in which it was quite challenging for me, because there they tested my character, my personality and my behavior, because even though they say it's a beauty pageant, it's not only the outside beauty, right? Because beauty doesn't come only from the outside. If you're smart, that's beautiful. If you're intelligent, that's beautiful. If you're kind, that's beautiful. So I believe that even though it's called a beauty pageant, it's not only meant for the outside beauty, it's meant for the inside beauty as well. So I was tested with all these challenges as well in doing the rounds of interviews. And then finally, I got a call that I was selected as a Rubaru Miss India Elite Aura International 2023, and that I will be representing my state, Meghalaya, and my country, India, in the national and international pageant. And this pageant that I will be attending now in September 17th till October 1st will be the biggest pageant held in Antalya, Turkey. So I would like to say that I'm really proud and happy for this biggest opportunity that I've received in my life. And I will really not forget, the first person I would like to thank is God, because without Him, I will not be here. And through my faith and belief in Him, I believe that I've made it this far. And for my parents and my family, they are my biggest supporter, I will say. Because I think like after I completed my 12 studies, I went with my further studies in Dehradun, but it was a science, so I didn't have much interest in it. And then after that, I told my father that I would like to change again, and plus it was the lockdown during that time. I told that I would like to change in Bangalore. After I went through Bangalore, again it was something related to science again, but I didn't have much interest in it, honestly. That's why, so I was completely honest with my family members, each and every one of them. I told them that I have different goals in life, and every person is not meant to become a doctor or lawyer or engineer. I really believe in this because we are all meant and brought up to this world with different talents, and we must showcase this talent in every different way that is possible. So I told them that I would like to pursue a different career. And then I started with my fitness journey. Then I started to help and train other people as well, and which was, I must say, it was a success. And then from there I fell in love with modeling, with fashion industry. Then I started to put more interest in the fashion and the pageantry world. And then I first competed in Femina Miss India. This was a different organization, but I completely failed out there and I did not get through those different rounds of selection, and I was not selected at all. But that did not let my hope down. So I kept working on myself. I challenged myself to become a better person, and then I believed in God. That was the first thing that I must say, that I've kept my faith higher and my hope stronger. And then I believe that, then I found out about this Rupda Miss India. And then I reached out to them, and then they helped me connected with the several interviews and all that. And so after the several rounds of interviews and selection phase, I must say that I was selected as the winner, and I will proudly be representing my country. And I hope that each and every one of you present here and even around my state, my town, that you all will support me. I'm not saying like financial support or any kind of support, but if you just tell me that you are proud of me, or if you just tell me one line of saying all the best for your journey, that would really melt my heart. And it will really push me to work on myself and become a better person and represent my country with pride and dignity. Thank you.
The Emma we are people one rap here at Job, Yakari, Yakasted, Yakachnoy, but come tam your monthly, Kanuksa, Yakivitwan, Kikna Kru Yongi. The Nagajing you, Jongajing Lanti, come tam with the interact, Nagajing talk, come with the Kikna Kru Gayu, Kikna Kru Yongi, Posted Mekayu, talk you were Amtelenma. Nado katem ngeput, nado kini ki artis ki nongdro, nado ini kerja modeling, but hejing you yang ato, lada am kalat kulti ni go training yaki kau miat, mut you wata kini ki kena kru yang ye ki uyo compete, waki wituan Kiwituan ki kru ne kiwituan ki di pertai. The badangai ba kini kejingjop yang pi Rupda Lato uman ba kenuksa ye kiwituan ki kena kru. Kena wakila lomba yang pi uyu to kila uji uyu compete ado international level. But ngai ngaleng ngamasnya serong bai pi kon yang igua the one rap yang ni kanam ke kuram mat khamtam wadaman ke kanuksa ye kiwituan ki kena kru yang i the ekibokir yang ini henipor yo live de sub de design ublau ngamlarkan uki the but khamtam hawlai chuan hamtu melin yo lai ma eti kijing hawlai but ublai huyang
Ngakan mau hagi por pangapule ga philosophy, Indian and Western philosophy. Ngashim ya ka thesis jonga banle ka philosophical interpretation jonga ka. But aesthetic between God, man, and earth, including human being. Tengai I but ladanga le contextualize. But the jingya jonga ka thei samla ka thei babriu. Jong gonna go read into me. Feedback and Nature and Environmental Protection Society malapun kumpuram lane bala facilitate on this special day for her great achievement, which is a lifetime achievement. Ladangi contextualize kene kajaka kepala jerkertek Heaven's Cove. Kene kajaka habang iya nyoi magade sisya kataka polio ba tiang kepas nyam kebangila bandi leng bagajik pabriu juga. Henry pun nengi habangi pai sakadiang bersekamon ngila pen du yang jik pabriu juga. Dengan kuat ban kan selam pelan. Rather we should give more time to the chief guest as well as to these two beautiful people who are coming all the way to witness on this special day which we honor them. Pi habangi keren nature. Lane ka may rameo, lane ka may mariam. Ngabat pi haba ni don but ki play. Ni tip bangi im bang kamet jungi. It's just coming out of this beautiful matter that we are going to make in our body through the gift of our parents. A beautiful matter is sitting right in front of us, and she will be the witnesses for Meghalaya. Kamtam yang ini gari kasih penariong ini. Nangta yang gari India, but nakakur kejat lato, but kakur lalu pilang ibadan bo. Pila khas special baik ka kun kentei dap sendrang dap kentei kebab habru kebab miat kentai sang. Em kami benarcer, ku benarcer upa kapeyong ka, dia ka habi benarcer ikan nature, baim besak ka namar bawani dah kemata, kani ka domet. Dayam ida thang ida tepi I kela lai pai yang cejuk ino, jakan dau, tis piwan ida kemata. Tangba how beautiful God has carved us through this beautiful matter or earth into a beautiful human being. My humble request and also advice to all of us, especially to our beautiful lady and the gifted child of Marikwama. Tangane, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can do it. And believe in the dreams that you have. And last but not the least, believe in the world that you will see reality through your belief and also through the guidance that your parents give you, the gift of life. I quote by myself these words so that she will get encouraged. Life is a gift of God that comes only once. Therefore, live it aesthetically to bring glory to your family, to bring glory to our people and to our country. Thank you very much. Kublai sipun, nang laisuk embok ni embahai jopi, tetang kunte hi jai hind.